Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. My name's Chris, this is Driven by Boost. I'm here with my buddy Jordan and my other buddy Jordan, who both have M3s today. And today guys, we're going stage 2. We got a couple updates on Jordan's car that we haven't shown you guys in a while. So we'll have Jordan kind of go over it, and then we'll go through the tuning process. Other Jordan with the yellow M3 is going through Bootmod, and then Jordan with the blue M3 is going with VF. So we're going to tune that up. We're going to show you guys some updates in the car, and then we're going to go out for a spin, test out the new tune, as well as the transmission tune. So it should be a good video for you guys today.
Shit, sorry.
Just kidding, bro. So it should be a good video, guys. Can't wait for you guys to watch this video. Should be a lot of fun ripping these M3s around. So stay tuned, and if you guys haven't already, please hit that like button, and we will get to it. Thanks. So it's been a little while since we've had Jordan's M3 on the channel, and a lot's been done to the car, a lot of awesome things. So Jordan's gonna just break down all the little things he's added to his M3. Yeah, he's gonna break it down for us. He's gonna show us some awesome things that he did to the car. So here he is.
So I did the carbon fiber Turner Motorsports intakes. They come with full heat shield boxes and these carbon covers, SSR charge pipes. They're aluminum. And then the Turner oil catch can. I also did AR resonated downpipes, and that's what's gonna help us go to stage 2 today.
This engine bay is looking sweet with all the carbon fiber. So just in a second, we will hook up the laptop. Jordan's gonna break it down for us, how the tuning works, how long it takes, all the good stuff to how to tune your car for stage 2, and as well for the DCT tuning for the BMW F80 M3.
One's for the DCT, and this one's for the stage 2.
So you got both these cables, came in the mail from VF.
Yeah, so this one is how I'll tune the ECU for stage 2. And then to do the DCT, they're actually requiring an Ethernet cable. And then I'll actually have somebody from VF take over my laptop, and he'll do all the tuning for the DCT. And then we're gonna download a program, TeamViewer, and then a tech from VF will actually log on to my computer and do everything. He said it's going to black out the screen, so I can't really see what's going on. He's going to do it, and he says it should take about an hour.
Sweet, dude. You don't have to leave your house, too.
Nope.
Awesome. Let's keep going.
So we're going to plug it in. I already have my stage 2 tune loaded onto my desktop, my coding data, and then here's the program. So we're going to run all the checks to make sure everything's going. Turn the ignition on. So we're going to open up the program. All right, and then now we're going to load the tune.
So we got the stage 2 file loaded up on the laptop, and that takes about, what do you say, 10 minutes to load?
Yeah, about 10, 13 minutes, depending on how fast the computer's running.
Okay, and then, so basically VF takes control of the laptop?
So the engine, the stage 2 tune, I do all myself.
Okay.
They emailed me the tune, and all I have to do is load it up through the program.
Okay.
It's the DCT that they're going to take over, which we're actually just about to switch cables, and we'll do that one right now.
Cool. So the program was already downloaded for stage 2, so we uploaded that. It took about 10 minutes, but the transmission tune for the DCT, that one will probably take a little while, and VF has to take control of it. So we're going to hang tight. We're going to let VF do their magic. We'll plug up the laptop to the car, and we'll see what happens.
And swap the cables out. and then we're all set. I just got to get a hold of the VF tech, and he'll take over my laptop and do all the tuning.
Tuned. So Jordan just got a hold of the tech. It's going to take about, what do you say, about an hour and a half?
Yeah, about an hour, hour and a half, depending on how quick you can get it done.
Okay, so it's going to take a little while for the tune. In the meantime, we got burgers for the boys. We're grilling up, and then we'll get situated with other Jordan's F80 M3. Once both these cars are done, we're going to take them out on the road. We'll see how they feel, see how they handle. It should be pretty awesome with the Stage 2 tune as well as the transmission tune. So let's get some burgers.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mind. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game.
Burgers for the boys. All right, guys, so Jordan's outside right now. He's tuning his car through Custom Tune through Bootmod. We're getting it set up with a laptop. I'm trying to figure it out now.
Oh, you weren't even plugged in? No, not yet. Oh, no.
What's up, George?
What up, man?
Guys, this is George.
What's going on?
He runs Gates Innovation. A bunch of the carbon fiber goodies that you saw all over Jordan's car is through this guy right here. So I'll leave a link in the description below. Be sure to check his website out. Be sure to check his products out. He makes some awesome carbon fiber goodies. He's helping us today with other Jordan hooking up the boot mod to his M3. You sending it, George?
Yeah. All right, so the vehicle is connected. Drop down to my maps. Jordan's custom tune. Flash. Flash now. Flash.
Please wait. Downloading.
It's downloading. It might take a while on this internet.
Yeah. We also have the car battery plugged in, just in case the battery dies while the car is tuning. It might brick the car, and we'll have to get it towed. So be sure whenever you're doing any tuning to have the car battery plugged in.
And the seatbelt.
And seatbelt. Alright, boys, so we just got the boot mod loaded up, and we're gonna take it on the block.
Did we all? We didn't do the DCT tune, did we?
No.
Sounds really good. Jesus Christ, dude.
It's back.
Good.
God damn, dude.
Yeah, that's what I'm used to.
Sounds really good. Woo!
Probably ruining these people's dinner.
That's okay. Back. Ooh, those downshifts though.
I want to ride in Jordan's car and see if the turbos are as loud because of his intake.
Yeah.
Because he has the caps on the filters.
Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure yours is louder. Almost guaranteed yours is louder. Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Jesus, dude.
Hear you guys coming down the street. Like,
It's
heard
fixed.
You long before I saw you. Holy shit.
Jesus.
Felt those pops in my chest.
Car's driving good, it's sounding good. The new tune and the update on the Stage 2 was a success for the boot mod. This was a custom tune, yeah?
Yeah, it's custom by Kerry Jordan.
Okay.
He's a big S55 tuner.
Awesome.
What am I
Yeah,
trying to
dude.
do?
This thing was sweet, man. Thanks for the ride. So we just finished downloading the DCT tune from VF. We're gonna take it out for the first time, see how she drives. Jordan's gonna drive us, and we're gonna get his first impression.
All right, let's go.
Let's do it. So the new downpipes sound a lot louder on the car.
Oh yeah. Cold start is definitely gonna make my neighbors hate me.
That's alright though.
But I'm glad that I went with the resonated downpipes, so there's almost like no rasp to it.
Oh, okay, so these are the resonated downpipes?
Yeah, so instead of cats, they just put 2 small resonators there.
Yeah, these sound way better. It sounds more of like a fuller sound.
Yeah, it still keeps that deep tone that I've been trying to go with, so I'm happy.
Yeah. Any difference that you've kind of noticed so far with the tune?
Well, with the trans, before it gets warmed up completely, it would be really jerky, and that's already gone.
Yeah.
Like I can actually take off nice and smooth instead of the car like wanting to jerk around for a while, which is horrible.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll just let it warm up a little bit.
Yeah, that sounds good. And then you got the new boost gauge?
The P3. So right now it's in coolant temp.
Yeah.
But I can change it so it'll show my speed, battery, RPMs when I can change it to a shift light, oil temp, my intake air temperatures,
yeah,
exhaust temps, ignition timing, air fuel ratio, and then my boost.
Yeah, that's an awesome little gauge.
I was only like quarter throttle on that too.
That sounds awesome. That sounds so good.
Alright, so we can hear the difference with the verbal now because I just put it in Sport Plus. So
Yeah.
it should be a lot louder.
Okay, yeah, because the burbles already are super loud, man.
Oh, but see that now?
Oh yeah, there you go. All right, we're gonna see how she feels first time kind of sending the car.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Uphill too, man. Uphill. How'd that feel?
Oh, it felt like it pulled a lot harder than the stage 1.
Yeah, dude,
And we were spinning a lot through that too.
it was more noticeable on the initial takeoff, and then also at the end of the rev range, you could just feel it pulling way harder.
Shifts a lot harder now too.
Yeah.
Before it almost felt like the car was too powerful for the trans.
Yeah.
You'd almost feel like a little bit of a slip.
Yeah.
And now it just grabs. It's awesome. The tune actually increased all the line pressure and the clamping force, so I shouldn't have any issues with this power level.
Yeah, dude, that pulled super hard. Dude, that was so loud. Smells good.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
That thing's loud, dude. Holy.
The best part is you could barely hear it in the car.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Like it does not sound that loud inside.
From like when you like let go the gas, it was just like thundering and burbling for like the good like 30 seconds way after, dude. It was insane.
Line up together.
Oh, for
Do
sure.
boot mod versus VF.
Yeah, Bootmod versus VF. We'll do that in the next video for sure.
We definitely need to do a dyno day.
Yeah.
Oh,
In
I'm
all of
down.
our cars.
Yeah, definitely.
That would be a
definitely.
lot of fun.
All right, man. What's your thoughts?
Holy shit, is it different? I mean, the trans acts so much better. Like, it's more enjoyable to drive with.
Yeah.
The bucking is all gone. It's super smooth, but then your shifts, it's insane. It like almost wants to break them loose every time it shifts.
Yeah, it's crazy.
As far as the stage 2, it made a huge difference. I mean, the car just keeps pulling. And I thought it pulled hard at stage 1, but
Yeah. Stage 1 was awesome for the car, but stage 2 is ridiculous. It pulls so much harder from up top. This car is incredible now. Super happy for both Jordans on getting their tunes correct. Bootmod and VF are awesome tunes. Maybe one video we'll put them together, see which one's faster. Just
we'll do a dyno day.
yeah, we'll do
See.
a dyno day. We'll compare them. But it's been a fun day. Bellies are full, cars are tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. We got some more awesome content on the way. Once again, if you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. Right. It's over there
Maybe over
somewhere.
there, I don't
It's over there somewhere. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.
No balls with the claws out.
Jesus Christ.